Now we're entering the museum, but this is a special museum because it's actually inside the mine itself too. We're here at almost at the top of the mountain. I want to show you guys, everybody, where the mines are. See, there's one mine there, another mine over here. You can tell where the basalt drops down, where the gray is. So you can see that they're all in the same level because the amethyst comes up, and what happened is it got very hot, like a volcanic hot, and it came up all the heat, and then the ice age came, or somehow it cooled down and literally stopped all in one level. So this is how they mine. They mine through and across over to the sides, but they don't go up and they don't go down. They stay going across. In fact, one of the miners met his friend from the other mine that was on one side of the mountain, and then met him on the other side. They met in the middle, and then they just turned east and west and went the other direction. It took 30 years for them to meet. There's one mine, there's another hole, another hole, another hole, another hole. All is in the same line. Don't go up, don't go down. So just wanted to show you how they actually find the mines is because it's all in the same linear area. They don't have to dig up or down. The most they go up is 2 meters. So imagine if it's a huge geode, it goes through the wall. So they have to...
Hey, let's go. Não, e daí?
Não.
Não pode? Ah, não pode. Ah, é perto. Tá.
Okay, that was, they're bombing right now. They're exploding, and I almost crapped. That was scary. So we're not allowed to go in there. I think this is as far as we're gonna get into this mine. But we're gonna go into the museum right now and enjoy a safe atmosphere. So right there is where they were exploding. You can see a little bit of the smoke coming out from the gunpowder. Or did some of them use dynamite? I'm not really sure. In this mine. But you can see the smoke. It's kind of like wafting. What she was saying is that here at the museum, this is the museum for all of amethyst from the Ametista do Sul. So here we're going to have all different kind of minerals. We'll have the blade flower calcite. We have all different kind of cluster calcites, selenite, quartz. Really amazing different pieces. They have some here that is not from Rio Grande do Sul. But mostly all the stalactites, that piece there is out of it's a tongue that comes out of an amethyst. Flowering amethyst is also from this region. There's really beautiful pieces here. I remember this museum 20 years ago was nothing like this. It was very simple. So they've been collecting in the last 20 years some really, really awesome pieces. Like this pink amethyst. Oh, look, that's a beautiful piece also. I call it Narnia when they look like that. But check out this piece of agate. It's a beautiful, beautiful amethyst geode with agate. And to get stripes like that is quite rare. And they didn't even crack it, so it's complete. It's 100% complete geode. Really beautiful. And this is a double geode with a pink amethyst and then the regular amethyst, purple amethyst on top. I love those. I always call those the goddesses. Really special pieces here. Calcite and then the amethyst and on the sectors came all the way up. It's like a scepter. That's a beautiful piece. over here, they've taken the same geode and burned one and kept one. So they have one side is citrine and one side is amethyst. So she just told us she has a special room, so let's check it out. That is awesome. It has tongue formation, stalactite formation, and calcite formation in one druzy. That's stunning. Here's this gorgeous geode. And when you put a light on gypsum, it really pops. As you can see, the light just really carries inside like a glacier. I love that. So when we do sell pieces like this, we should be really putting it in a lighted area. This comes in multiple colors, and that's another color. You can either get it naturally, it's not as dark green as this, but if you radiate it or if you heat it, this comes out that really, really dark green. Look at that, that's incredible. It's had like its own life inside. So now let's go inside. We're gonna put our hard hats on and we're gonna go in the mine. So this is a real mine that they turned into a museum. You get to see all how they pull it out. They left us some so we can see what's going on. Oh, look at that. They're turning this mine into a beer tavern. Shiki, I want to drink beer in here too.
Yeah, but it's new.
It's new. It's not ready.
It's not ready.
Oh, okay, you have to please stop. Oh, it's full of wine. And it's energized with the amethyst. The amethyst cave. Oh, I like this. Super cool. We're gonna take a walk and check out what energy we want to have. I like red wine. I'm a red wine person, so this is really nice. You can sit down. We get to taste. We can sit down on the pink amethyst table. Look how gorgeous it looks here. I have a fully polished. We have one in the warehouse like this. Fully polished, and just turn it into a lamp, so you can see this gorgeous mood.
É o primeiro cabernet envelhecido aqui em Ametista do Sul, dentro das minas.
First, but does it taste good? We need to find out. Aqui, we're
Try
gonna
it,
try.
yeah.
Okay, we're gonna try. All the little stones where you can sit on, all made from pink amethyst. I love the lighting. This is beautiful. We're gonna make something like that.
And now, try.
And now, okay, so now we're done working. We can try the wine.
Try the wine.
Okay, we're gonna try the wine.
And after, go to the mine, inside the mine with the...
Oh, yeah? Okay, I'm gonna try their juice, right? Delicious. Okay. Thank everybody for watching this amazing video. If you enjoyed it, enjoy your journey here, enjoy your life, enjoy your adventures. Now I'm going back, 3-hour drive, and hang out with a glass of wine.